Yo,
Wait. We do the same intro every single time.
Yeah.
Let's switch it up. Yo, what is up, me fam? It is Monsieur Soir
And Moofaceguy. Today we've got something very special for you for our 8 subscribers special.
Special. We say special guest, Monsieur Poopy Dog.
He's a dog.
Let's make a paper airplane.
This one's still crap.
This one is still pretty good, huh?
No, this one is crap too.
No, it's not crap. We split it
Yeah, let's split it.
again.
Oh, it's a better now.
Let's throw it now, huh?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, everybody grab one. I said one. Thank you.
Turn around.
Oh, yeah.
So, that's how you make paper airplane.
It's pretty nice.
Bye.